Slán leave and rasta.
Another common phrase when people are parting company is Hí mi a ríist sibh. I'll see you again. Hí mi, I will see. A ríist sibh, you again. Note that in Gaelic, again, a ríist, goes before you, sibh. Hí mi a ríist sibh.
Mar sin lív.
Mar sin lív an rasta. Hí mi ríist sibh.
Slán leave.
Slán leave an rasta. Hí mi a ríist sibh.
Hí mi a ríist sibh. Sibh. A ríist sibh. Hí mi a ríist sibh. Hí mi a ríist sibh.
If you are likely to see someone in the near future, you may use the words anoch, tonight, anoch, or amarach, tomorrow, amarach. Say, I'll see you tonight.
Hí mi a noch sibh. Hí mi a noch sibh.
Say, I'll see you tomorrow.
Hí mi a marach sibh. Hí mi a marach sibh. One very common escape from a conversation is, I'm sorry, but I must go. To apologize, use the phrase, ha mi dúlich. I'm sorry. Ha mi dúlich. 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 Ha mi dúlich. Ha mi dúlich.
But is ach. Ach. And I must go is féimi mi falav. Féimi mi falav. I must go or I must leave. Féimi mi falav. Féimi mi falav. We'll practice them again, but first, éistíobh.
Mrs. Perkins, ha mi dúlich, ach féimi mi falav.
Well, slán lív.
Slán leave an rasta. Hí mi a ríist sibh. I is tapa leave.
Say that you are sorry, but you must go.
Ha mi dúlich ach féimi mi falav.
And again, I'm sorry, but I must go.
Ha mi dúlich ach féimi mi falav.
If you are leaving, it helps to have an excuse. This one's a little weak.
Mrs. Perkins, ha mi dúlich, ach féimi mi falav.
Cashán.
Ha Star Trek in television. Ha mi dúlich.
Well, slán lív.
Slán leave an rasta. Hí mi a ríist sibh. I is tapa leave.
Well, he won't go far as a diplomat. There are often, however, real reasons for leaving a conversation. Try and guess as many of these as possible, and watch out for the word Carshon. Why? Carshon.
Ha me tulich. Feme me fall af. Oh, ha me ski.
Ha mi tulich. Feme mi fall af. Ha een bussen fall af.
Ha mi dulich, fim mi fall af. Ha een trainen fall af.
Ha me dulich. Fim me fall af. Ham bate a fall af.
The last was probably the most difficult. Bata is a boat or a ferry. Han bata a falav. The boat is leaving. You also heard han train a falav. The train is leaving. Han bus a falav. The bus is leaving. And hami ski. I'm tired.
Ha me tulich. Feme me fall af. Oh, ha me ski.
Ha mi tulich. Feme mi fall af. Ha een bussen fall af.
Ha mi dulich, fim mi fall af. Ha een trainen fall af.
Ha me dulich. Fim me fall af. Ham bate a fall af.
Say you must leave because you're tired.
Fim me falav hami ski. I must leave, I'm tired. Fim me falav hami ski.
Say you must leave because the bus is going.
Fim me falav ham bus a falav. I must leave, the bus is going. Fim me falav ham bus a falav.
Say you must leave because the boat's going.
Fim me falav ham bata falav. I must leave, the boat is going. Fim me falav ham bata falav.
One handy phrase if you don't want to get drawn into a conversation at all is ha kaffa garam. I'm in a rush. Ha kaffa garam. Ha kaffa garam. Ha kaffa garam.
Ik ga hem.
Ha me tulich. Ha karakaram. Feme me fall af. Machine leave.
Avorak. Avorak.
Ha mi tulich. Feme mi fall af. Ha kaffakaram. Slaan lief en draaste.
Before the recap, two familiar phrases you may want to use with a close friend. So far we have concentrated on Marshin leave and Slan leave, which both mean cheerio. You may also hear the less formal forms Marshin lacht and Slan lacht.
You'll recall as well that we learnt he me riest shiv. I'll see you again. Oo can be used instead of shiv between close friends, so you may hear he me riest you. He me riest you.